Hi guys, it's Miss Stacy. So did you know that there's a holiday coming up next week that's called Thanksgiving? And on Thanksgiving we talk a lot about turkey because lots of people eat turkey on Thanksgiving. And this is a picture of a real turkey, and all of these things here are feathers. So turkeys have feathers. And we have some feathers at school, but they're different colors. So look at this. The turkey's feathers are brown, but our feathers are purple and green and blue and red, so they're not quite the same, but they're still kind of fun to play with. So today we're going to see some different things that we can do to use our hands and play with feathers, okay? So the first thing we're going to do is see if we can poke the feathers into things. So these are some things that I found at school, but I bet at home you might have something that would be like a strainer or a different kind of container, anything that has little holes on it. And what we're going to do is we're going to pick up the feathers with our thumb and our index finger, so two fingers. If you have trouble with that, someone might be able to help you. You can stick the feather in here in between your fingers, right? So if you can't grab it yourself, your hand is like this, someone can help you stick it in here, and then you hold it that way. And then we're going to make a design. We're going to put it in. So I'm going to put it in this hole, and I'm going to let go. It falls down a little bit, but that's okay. So now I'm going to take another one. What do you think I should do? Should I do purple or green? I think I'll do purple. I'm going to put my purple one in a different hole. I'm going to push it in, and then I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, I'm going to let go. And it's staying there. Let's get another one. Maybe this time we'll do green. Alright, I'm going to try holding the green the other way, so I'm going to stick it in my hand like this. I'm going to put it in. Here I go. Here I go. 1, 2, 3, let go. Ooh, so now we have 3 feathers in there. Let's get another one. How about red? I'm going to put in the red. So all these feathers are in. Should we put a few in this one too? Let's see. Maybe, what colors didn't we do yet? We didn't do, maybe you can tell me, which one didn't we use yet? We have yellow and red. One of them we already used. So which one didn't we use yet? One we didn't use yet is yellow, because we already used red over here, right? So let's put yellow in here. We'll stick it in. Ooh, they stand up nice in this one. Let's see what other colors we didn't use yet. Here's pink. I'm going to put it like this. I'm going to hold it in my fingers. I'm going to put it in. Yay! And now I'm going to get a white one. And I'm going to put white in. So that's just kind of fun to do, to practice either using your fingers like this or to practice other ways of using your hand, right? Like this, so you can still move your hand back and forth. So now we can take them out. So there's different ways you can take them out too, right? If you can use your thumb and your finger like this, then you can go pinch and lift it up. And then you can drop it. If you can't do that, you can practice other ways. So maybe you can use your 2 hands together and you can clap it and pull it up like that. That's kind of fun. Or maybe you can try using your hand like this and you can hit it. If you hit it enough times, do you think it'll come out? This one's not coming out. That's not going to work for this guy. What else could we do to get it out? Do you think we could turn it over like this and use our hands and shake it? That came out pretty easy. Ready? It's like this. We're going to use our 2 hands. We're going to shake it. Come on. Come on. Uh-oh. How else could we use our hand? Well, it's upside down. Could we go like this and push it? Push. Oh, it came out. Oh my goodness, that was hard. Let's see how we can get out of this one. So remember, we talked about using your thumb and your finger like this. That was one way. Clapping your hands together like this was one way. Let's see if it works with this one. If we try pushing it, well, that one's too tall. Push it to the side, push it. No, that's not working. So let's try turning it upside down with this one and see what happens. So I'm going to use 2 hands. I'm going to hold it. I'm going to turn it upside down. I'm going to shake it, and that's not working. So I got to use my hand a different way on the inside. I got to go push from the inside. Push, 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 push. Oh, these are in there good. Oh, the purple one came out. Oh, this one just came out the wrong way. There we go. All right. So that was a few different ways we could use our hands to get the feathers in and out. But you know what else we can do with our feathers? We can pretend they're paintbrushes, and we can paint with them. So let's try different ways we can paint with them. So I have some paper. I have a plate that I'm going to put my paint on. We don't need all these colors. Maybe we'll try a few colors. We'll try red and brown and yellow because those are kind of like turkey-like Thanksgiving colors. All right. So I'm going to put a little bit of each one on the plate. So I'm going to open it by pushing it with my finger. I'm going to turn it upside down and shake it and squeeze out a little bit. Now I'm going to do it with the red. I'm going to shake it, squeeze out a little. I'm going to do it with the brown. Shake it, open it, squeeze out a little bit. Okay, so we don't need a lot, just a little bit. So now you can see we have our 3 colors on the plate. The first way we're going to try painting is using the bottom of this, like it's a paintbrush. So I'm going to hold it with my 2 fingers, but if that's hard, you could also hold it like this, right? You could hold it like this with your hand, so whatever works for you. And I'm going to start with red. I'm going to dip it in the red like it's a paintbrush, and I'm going to see if I can paint with it. Ooh. So it paints. I don't know if you can see it. It paints, but we would need to keep dipping it in the paint a lot for that to work. So should we try a different way? What do you think would happen if we turned it around, and I hold on to this part, and I put the other side in the paint? Ready? So now I'm going to try pretending this is my paintbrush. Whoa. That looks cool. That makes much more paint go on the paper. What do you think will happen if I drag this feather through all 3 of those colors? Should we try it? So we're going to take it. We're going to go through the brown, through the yellow, through the red. All right, so let's go to all the colors on it. Let's see. Ooh, this one's getting kind of weird because it's covered in paint. So we're going to put that one down and get a different feather. Let's pick a good one. I think this is a good one. And maybe this one. What do we think about this guy? So we're going to take this one. We're going to put it so it goes in all the colors. We got every color on there. And then we're going to put it on our paper. We're going to go, ooh, that looks cool. Look at this little part. That really looks like turkey colors, the brown and the yellow. That looks pretty cool. So maybe it's hard for you to hold with just this little piece, or maybe you think this is just kind of boring and you want to make it more exciting. So we're going to try one more way to paint. I've never done this, so I don't really know how it's going to work, but I think it should be fun, so we'll try it. All right, so we're just going to take some feathers. Well, first we're going to take some paint. We'll put a little bit of yellow paint over here. We'll put some yellow paint on our paper. We'll put some red paint on our paper. And we'll put some brown paint on our paper. All right, so we got all those colors. Now we're just going to take a few feathers. This is the fun part, playing with feathers. And we're going to drop them on top of the paint. I'm going to put a glove on just because I have to touch the computer after. I don't want my hands to be all dirty to touch the computer while I'm making a video. But if I was just doing this in class, I wouldn't put a glove on. So now I'm going to take these feathers and I'm just going to squish them all around the paint. So the feathers are going to spread the paint all around. Ooh. The feathers now look a little bit gross, but they made the paint look really cool. So we can plop them around, we can move them all over the place. So when we take those feathers off, check it out. Look at that cool design. So there was a bunch of ways we could paint with the feathers, right? We squished them all around. That was one way. And then another way was we held it like this and we painted with the end. And the other way was we dipped this side in and painted with that. So there's a bunch of things you can do. And we practiced holding the feathers like this and sticking them in the holes, right? Sometimes it's fun to just play with the feathers because they float. So if you pick them up and you let go of them, it's fun to watch them fall and to try to catch them, right? There's all kinds of fun stuff you can do. So our feathers don't quite look like the feathers on the turkey. They're different colors, but we made a cool picture that looked a little bit more like the turkey, and we had some fun playing with our feathers, all right? So I hope if you have some feathers at home or anything like that, that maybe you can try it yourself, and that you have fun, and we'll see you soon.